Oh, what's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we have a rather funny video for you today. We are here at Expo Motor Cars down in Bel Air area of Houston, and we have the best fake Carrera GT I have ever seen in my life, and it is for sale here. Take a look at this. Boom! There it is. Jesus. Matte black. It is a Boxter S with a Carrera GT body on it. The headlights are all fogged. The rims are amazing. Check this out, guys. 22 grand for a fake Carrera GT. Let me know in the comment section if I should cop this, dude. It's got the back vents just like the real one does. A little wing. Oh my god. You should rate it. Rate it 1 to 10. How good do you think this replica is? 22 grand gets you this bad boy. My god, I'm at a loss for words. It's not awful, but it's awful. Underbelly. God dang. This is just, I don't even know what to say, guys. Cue the cinematic things.
Ryan Little.
Guys, one of the best parts about this, it's an automatic, dude. Anybody can drive this bad boy. Seriously, I may have to cop this. Trade in the coupe, the hoopty, put down a couple G's, drive off in a brand new fake Carrera GT. Alright guys, this may be a long shot, but we're gonna try to test drive it. Since it is automatic, it's only 20 grand, it's just a Boxster. So we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna walk in there and ask the salesman we're interested, and we're gonna try to test drive this Porsche. Yeah.
Your Sinclair photos?
Alright, well, the first dude wasn't very nice. He just said, "No, you don't want to drive that. The front suspension is not good." So, we're not gonna be driving that. And this other guy was pretty nice. He took us to the back and he was like, "If you want to drive, you had to call supervisor, and he's out to lunch." I was like, "Okay, whatever." Well, I'm not waiting around because we have cars that are more expensive than this at our house, and they're not gonna let us drive it because they think we can't drive expensive cars. Don't tell my mom. Yeah, but that's the inside. Automatic Boxster, 22 grand for this POS. Otherwise, we got some Mustangs on the lot. We got a new Jeep. We got a whatever this is. What is this? 21 grand Pook. Whatever that is. Mercedes-Benz Pook 300 SD. Got some Corvettes. Got a Lotus. Some Lexuses. So I guess this isn't the most highly rated dealership out here, but we are in Bel Air to start with. So can't really say too much. But that's it, Expo Motor Cars. They are also spiker. They had some spiker configuration things in there. But the baby, the fake Carrera GT, man. 22 grand will get you what seems to be a supercar. Well, now since we can't test drive it, we're gonna head off, probably go eat some lunch, and go home, baby. This is how you know we're in a good part of town, guys. Jesus Christ. That is nuts, dude. What kind of people just do it in the freaking parking lot? All the other wheels, they must have liked that front left tire. Jeez. Time for Whataburger now, though. Nobody can be sad when you have some Whataburger in your belly, isn't that right?
Yeah.
You're gonna make this video.
Here's a Sinclair Cities. Alright, and that will conclude this video. Pretty short, I think. I haven't edited yet, so I don't know. But I would imagine it's pretty short. We just want to check out the FAKE Carrera GT for sale for $22,000. If any of you lucky people out there want to go get it, it's at Expo Motorcars. Tell them Sinclair Photos sent you, and they won't give you a discount. Because I don't think they liked me very much when we went in the office. But Mike Booth hooked it up with lunch today. High five. There we go. This truck got his car wheel thing stolen. We got Whataburger. We're heading out. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you're new. We are at 5,700 right now, I think. Almost 6K. We're gonna get it this week. I know we will. I love you. Subscribe. Peace out.